Shweta Vadimbe, pediatrician and nutrition expert, and this is my channel Mom's Wonder Cookbook. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe as I am going to share with you a lot of healthy, tasty and quick recipes especially for your kids. The month of Shravan is full of festivals and celebrations. Today is Bail Poda. Traditionally, we make Puran Polis on this day. Today, I am going to share with you Puran Poli recipe. But yes, not the traditional one, a little different one. I am going to make this recipe using sweet potato or shakarkan. We all know that sweet potatoes are a very good source of fiber and many other nutrients. I am going to prepare this Puran Poli in such a way that nobody will guess that you are using sweet potato for the stuffing. So, let us learn how to make fiber-rich sweet potato Puran Poli.
Let us see the ingredients required to make our Puran Poli. I have taken here 3 katoris of whole wheat flour, 1 medium sized sweet potato or shakarkan. I have pressure cooked it for 4 to 5 whistles. This is 1.5 katori of milk. Milk you have to add gradually while preparing the dough, as you will have to see how much you require. Half katori of jaggery. Again, the amount of jaggery can be adjusted according to your likes and taste. Then this is half katori of ghee. I am going to add 2 teaspoons of this ghee while kneading the dough, and the remaining amount we will require while roasting the Puran Poli. Then this is 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of Kesar Elaichi syrup. Now let us start preparing the dough first. To prepare the dough, I have taken here whole wheat flour. To this I will be adding the pinch of salt, then sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are a good calcium source, so adding the sesame seeds will increase the nutritive value of our recipe. Then I will be adding 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now I will knead the dough using milk. This is a simple way to increase the energy and the nutrient level of your recipe. Adding milk increases the protein content, the calcium content and other nutrient content of the recipe. I will add milk gradually to form a firm dough. The dough is now ready. I will just apply a little bit of ghee and then we will keep it for resting for around 20 minutes. Now let us start preparing our stuffing. At first I will peel the sweet potato. Peel all the sweet potatoes and then I will grate them. I have grated these sweet potatoes. Now let us see what to do next. I have kept my pan for heating, and to this I will add jaggery and 1/4 katori of water. We will melt it till a one-stranded jaggery syrup is formed. We are using jaggery as it is nutritionally superior to sugar. It is a very rich source of iron. So now you can see that by making small changes, we have increased the nutritional value of our recipe. Now see that our jaggery syrup is ready. I will now add sweet potato to it. Let us mix it well, and then I will add the Kesar Elaichi syrup to this. We will now cool it and then we will make our Puran Polis. Potato stuffing is now ready. Let's start preparing our Puran Polis. I have divided the dough into lemon size ball. Now I will start preparing our Puran Poli. I will take one ball and roll it into a very small puri. So now I have rolled the puri and I will fill the stuffing into it. Then we will make a small ball and then we will roll it into our Puran Poli. Now let us make our puran poli. Poli is ready after rolling it. Now we will roast it. We will apply ghee while roasting it. My tawa is now hot. I will now roast the puran poli. We have to apply ghee to both the sides. We have to roast it is golden brown. Our puran poli is now ready. I will make all the puran polis in similar fashion. You can have it with ghee or milk.
Do make this puran poli today. I'm sure that everybody will like this more healthier and fiber-rich version of puran poli. I'll be sharing with you lot more healthy and tasty recipes in my future videos. So keep watching. Till then, bye bye friends. Stay safe, stay healthy.